If you're trying to start any game from the Xbox and you're getting this error message which says try again later, there might be an outage in our online service. Try again in a few minutes. And if you get this error again, check the service status with an error code which is 0x87e107df. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. In most cases, it's not you. The issue is on the end. The online services are currently experiencing a problem, which usually happens when the Xbox Live servers are down. If you check the service status from the Down Detector website, I'll put the link on the description of this YouTube video. You can see they say user reports show problems with Xbox Network, Xbox Live. And if you scroll down, you can see Xbox Network, Xbox Live problems reported in the last 24 hours. You can see there are so many outages reported in the last 24 hours, which show that their servers are actually down. Even if you go to lots of forums like the Xbox support subreddit, you can see people are complaining regarding this issue. Just few hours, you can see many people are complaining regarding this error message, which show that their servers are actually down. Now, here's what you need to do. You'll need to wait until the servers are restored. While you wait, you can try to restart your device and router, then relaunch the game. But in most cases, you just need to wait for a few hours and the issue will likely resolve by itself. Even though their website for the Xbox status hasn't updated yet, they still show that all services are up and running, but actually their servers are down. If you go to the Down Detector, you can see many outages have been reported in the last 24 hours. So you'll need to wait until the servers are restored. While you wait, try to restart your device and router, then relaunch the game. Thank you so much for watching the video and see you next time.